Inflammation is a fundamental process of the immune system that helps the body protect itself from injury, infection, and disease. When the body is injured or subjected to an infection, inflammation kicks in to begin the healing process. During this process, the body produces chemicals that help fight infection and repair damaged tissue. Inflammation also helps reduce the chance of further damage and prevent the infection from spreading. However, persistent inflammation can be harmful to the body and signal that the underlying cause has not been resolved. Like a broken leg that doesn't heal if we keep using it, if the inflammation persists, the body isn't able to heal properly. Fasting can help fight persistent inflammation by creating a health condition that supports the healing process. During fasting, the body focuses on producing metabolic rather than digestive enzymes, which helps reduce inflammation and help heal the body. Additionally, fasting creates an environment where weakened or damaged cells can self-destruct to fuel the body, while healthy cells survive and thrive. Ultimately, inflammation is a critical process for the body to heal, but persistent inflammation can be harmful and signal the need for change. Fasting emphasis on metabolic enzyme production can help fight inflammation and support the healing process. Thanks for watching.